ng Batak, unable to hit it. Malonzo. This guy, look at this guy. This guy can take it to length. He left it for Balanza, and what a great feed mula kay Jamie Malonzo.
Asa na yun, bumanggahan muna siya sa pader na nangangalang Jewel Ponferrada, and he got hit hard pero somehow got that ball to a teammate at the, nice block magmula kay Jamie. And over at Northport, this is Jerry Malanza.
Bidin went right back to him, partner. Left it for Jamie. Jamie will go up and get it to go. Chance for the three-point play. You love the way Balanza.
Yung mga achievements ng mga teammates mo, that's the best thing, you know? At siya nag-drop ng dime doon dito kay Jamie Malonzo. Malonzo with a nice finish against a bunch of defenders, rain or shine defenders. Wala sa pwesto niya yung bola, di ba? So flying in to get that rebound. Sumang will try a three-pointer here.
Oh, look at Malonzo.
Wow.
Powering his way up. This guy, he's pumped himself up a bit. Mula nang pumasok sa liga yan. You know, takes the contact, finishes.
Kailangan pina-face guard yung mga ganyan. Get him out of that, di ba?
The Kalma kept it alive. Bolik 3. Can't get it to fall once again. He's 1 out of 4 from Rainbow Country. Agaw! From behind Malonzo! And finally, Jamie's been wanting to jam.
Look at that. Di na blindside si Stingray. And this is a two-handed smash for Jamie Malonzo.
Timeout on the floor, presented to us by Honda, the official motorcycle of the PBA.
Oops, dalawa.
Baksak si Mike. Banggaan sila ni Ponferrada.
Dalawa sila.
Malonzo going strong to the hoop. Clash in the air. Dalawang nasa lista.
Itong Northport.
Arwin left open for 3. That's too strong. Malonzo, look at it. Just getting that ball. Heel attack, baseline. Put it up and in.
Very nice.
Parang walking on. Kita mo eh. Gusto niya eh. Roy Sumang is in there. So, Bolig is like a 2 right now. And Malonzo, as you said, is playing 3. Couple of fakes from Art. Next with Bolig. A second to go. Bolig had to put it up. Gets some rim. Malonzo keeps it alive. Pasa kay Art. Isa pa? 10 points na yan. Yun yung tanong dyan. Magpasahan yung dalawang big guys. Sabi ni Sumang, akin na yan. Sumang sees the opening. Missing, but there's Malonzo. Para ligpitin yun.
Tignan mo yung tip in yun.